go. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck, Museum 13. Diego mustache. Not sure what that means, but alrighty. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Got Willis, Green. How about a Juno? That jumbo patch. 11 out of 20. Huge autograph going to the Jets. Nice look up to start it off. We got Allen and Martin. Oh, what do we got? Come on, big name. Come on. Come on. Matthew Stafford. That's a nice one. Silver ink, 7 of 20. Very nice. Going to Detroit. Not on the list, of course. That's a sick hit right there. We'll have to touch that up. We got Dion and Neon to 50. Eifert. Calvin Berry. Got Monty Ball, jumbo. Big orange jersey there. That's 1 of 75 for Marquita. We got Lacey and Kurt Warner. We got Allen. We got Russell Wilson. Wish it was numbered. And Jared Allen quad Pro Bowl patch. 9 of 25. Going to Heather. VIN. Nice quad there. Gino and Dion. Shane, YOU, Jets and the Lions. Nice pickups, bud. 2 nice hits. Let me get this touched up. I think it's a 120. Yeah, that's a sick card right there. Oh, it's a 150. Banks. What's up, Banks? Yeah, that's a nice silver ink too. Perfect auto. Secured in the touch. Those look nice in the one touches. Silver frames. Perfect auto. Look at that clean auto right there. Nice Gino too. Fat auto patch. That'll do it. And I'll leave this one touch out. Let's pull something. Put in there. Good evening, Richie. Good evening. A Murphy for 500. Oh my goodness. That must be a ridiculous Dale Murphy.